Hello everybody, I'm back. Today we got a unicorn and a holy grail right here. 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 single cab, long bed, SLT LARAMIE with a turbo Cummins 5.9 and the impossible to find 6-speed manual transmission. This is a one-owner Ram with 53,000 actual miles. Yes, you heard that correct. 53,000 actual miles. Clean title, CARFAX certified. Yes, this is all original paint. This truck has never been in any accidents or had any kind of damage. The paint looks like it just rolled off the assembly line. This is a one-owner truck that spent most of its life in California and a little bit in Montana at the gentleman's ranch. Same owner purchased it new and owned it all of its life. This is a collector quality find right here. There's no dents, there's no scratches, there's no stories, just a nice, clean, solid, honest 3/4 ton single cab, long bed, manual 5.9. Non-smoker truck. It's never had any pets inside of it. It's never been off-road. It's never been abused whatsoever. The bed of this truck looks like the day it was in the showroom at the original Dodge Ram dealer in California. There's no dents, there's no damages, there's no creases. It is literally in new condition. Gentleman did install a gooseneck hookup in it, and it is not welded. It is completely bolted on. This bed is just insanely clean. Only flaws that you'd find in the truck, there's a couple little scuffs right here on the bed rail, on top of the bed rail on the passenger side. I know there's a little scuff right here. This is a SLT LARAMIE in a single cab. This is a very hard combination to find. Most of these trucks were work trucks, not this one. Factory rear slider, tinted windows in the back, tinted window, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, split 40-40-20 in the front. The interior of this truck looks like it is brand spanking new. This gentleman had it set up for his camper, enjoyed it probably once a year, and to move it from his ranch. Never been off-road, zero rust. 100% rust and corrosion free. He even had the undercarriage protected 2 weeks after he purchased it. This gentleman, I've seen guys that write notes, services, this, that. This gentleman wrote a story of the day when he bought it, everything he did, first hiccup he had, taking it to the dealer, etc., having him check it out. Fully documented with everything that he's done to it. Full wiring diagrams, etc. Now, he did 3 important upgrades. He did a full MBRP exhaust system with the muffler. He added BD exhaust brake, and he upgraded it with an air dog injection pump. It's got full BILSTEIN shocks all the way around, new. TOYO Open Country Extremes, AT2s, all the way around with over 90% on the tread. Literally like brand spanking new. These are 33-inch all the way around. The interior is like brand spanking new. Door panels in extremely clean condition. You do have power mirrors as well. Look at all the writing, everything. There's no worn spots at all. Seat is like new. The cushion, everything. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no worn spots whatsoever. Headliner is in excellent condition. There's no sagging, there's no water spots. Doesn't look like it's ever had any water leaks whatsoever. There's no cigarette burns. All the rubber is intact, as in excellent condition. There's no dry spots in it. There's no rips. He's never locked his keys and ripped it with the hanger. The jams are also in like new condition. It's not all beat up and scuffed up. No, the dash is not broken, and it is in new condition as well. This thing had a dash cover on it since it was new. It was also probably helps because he always has it garaged. This truck has never been driven in mud, snow, dirt, off-road. He upgraded all his gauges so he can monitor everything on here. He added trailer brakes. Here's your 6-speed manual, and here's your BD exhaust brake, 4-wheel drive manual actuator, overhead console. Everything is intact. I don't think it's ever been used even. Let's get this thing started. It's got newer batteries, and we just did a complete fresh service, oil change, oil filter, fresh air filter, new serpentine belt, fresh AC charge, all original stereo. Rear, left, right. I cannot get over how clean and healthy this dash looks. Never find these second gens this clean with a dash this well cared for. Everything works as designed. Here's your wipers with a delay. Here's the second speed, and here's the third speed. We checked out the stereo. There's the horn. You got cruise control, power windows, door locks, like I said. Let's turn the heated mirrors on. Let's pop the hood. And let me go on the other side and show you the passenger side. He's also installed this bad boy brush guard. There's the antenna. He used to have a CB on it. So the antenna and the wires are ready for the CB. He just took the CB off, so you can just hook your own CB on here. The front bumpers are in excellent condition. Same goes for the paint. They do not make them like this anymore. All the cushings are in excellent condition. They're not all beat up or the foam messed up whatsoever. I do have all the original books, manuals, all the both sets of keys. I think I have probably like 3 keys or 4 keys and 2 remotes, etc. The roof is like new, and this is original paint. This truck has not been painted, not an inch of it. It is all original. And like I said, the undercarriage is 100% rust free. There's your block heater, there's your headlights, fog lights. There's 0 oil leaks. The steering drives in this truck like it's new. I drove it at 74. I think I got up to 74 miles an hour. It's literally like driving a brand new truck. Tailgate is in excellent condition. There's your license plate lights. There's the tail lights. Matching spare. All new BILSTEIN shocks all the way around. And no, 100% rust free. This is just the protecting spray. That has done a phenomenal job at protecting it. Okay, I popped the hood, I think. Yep, let's pop the hood. So now we're gonna pop the hood. Let me go ahead and pop the hood here. I have not seen a valve cover this clean. It looks like it's been remanufactured or it's a new one. And it's not. When I say this truck is like brand new, it is 100% like brand new. Look at the brackets, look at everything. There's zero corrosion. See there's valves for the injection pump, fuel pump, turn them off. Set all the precautionary stuff for it. There's your new batteries. And when I say it has zero blow-by, I'm not kidding. This truck, some guys like it like this. This is collector quality. You will not find a nicer one, a cleaner one, a better taken care of one whatsoever. Also did a brake fluid flush. Take a look at the grill. Original grill in excellent condition. There's no pitting, there's no chrome peeling whatsoever. The undercarriage of this thing, make sure you take a close look at all the bolts. Don't get cleaner than this whatsoever. Let's test out the AC. I forgot to test the AC out. And it is blowing cold. There we go. Get the right angle. It is in the low 20s. It's gonna be lower than that. I'm gonna stop. That's cold enough. 53,713 miles. All the gauges are on, the lights are on in them. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. I'll turn the lights off. I don't think you can see it in the camera that they're turning on and off. Maybe. There's the exhaust brake. I don't know if you heard it. There we go. Love that sound. There we go. Let's see how the heated mirrors are. It's 86 compared to, there's the body 72, 73, and the glass. So the heated mirrors are working. Let's check that one. I don't know if I'm getting that right there. So we know the heated mirrors are working. There's the driver's window going up, driver's window going down. There's the passenger window going up, passenger window going down. Let's test out the mirrors. There's left, there's right, down, and up. Let's zoom in on the passenger. Right, left, down, up, down. Alright. Okay, so we did that. We tested out the wipers, we did the lights, we did the horn. Let's check out the steering wheel. There's one finger. Real nice and easy and smooth. There's no play in the steering wheel at all. It's nice and tight. Let's turn this off. This Ram has 410 gears. I took a picture of them. You'll be able to see it in the pictures. There's all the original books, manuals, etc. for everything that he added. Here's a extra set of keys. There's actually 2 keys here and 2 extra fuel cap keys and a remote. This is a truck that you buy and tuck away, and you're gonna double your money on. This is a manual 5.9 single cab with 53,000 miles. If not, this is a truck that you can put around the house and drive on the weekend, drive it to any car show, etc., and show it off in pride. This is a truck that you got a trailer. This is a workhorse, and you got a manual. This is a truck that you can drive and enjoy, and it's like money in the bank. They will never make single cab manual again. They will never make a 5.9 again. And they will never make a no emissions truck again with no DEF and no EGR and all that BS. This is the nice, simple truck that you can feel comfortable and drive it out in the mountains in the middle of nowhere by yourself and know that you're not gonna break down most likely. This is as reliable as it gets. You got tires are almost like brand spanking new, over 90% tread, new shocks, suspension components, fully serviced, one owner, in new condition. You literally, I mean, if you didn't know they changed the body style, you'll think this truck is brand new. Now, let's get to the good stuff. I can finance this truck and qualify it for new car financing. What does that mean? That means that I can qualify this truck and finance you as if you're buying a model 2024. So I can finance it up to 84 months, and I can qualify it for the same interest rate as if it's a new truck, 7.5%. No, your bank cannot finance you. No, your credit union cannot finance it. And if they do, it might be a short-term, 36 months. They're gonna go off Kelley Blue Book that probably, I don't even check it. I'm just guessing that they probably think it's worth $10,000. Well, you go find one for $10,000. Don't waste your time or my time. This is not 300,000 miles. This is 50,000 miles. This is what you call a cream puff. This is a unicorn, and this is a manual, not an automatic. You might find an automatic for $35,000 or $37,000. It's gonna have more miles. These single cabs have a huge following, and their value's been going up and up. So I can finance you, that's not a problem. I can finance you possibly up to 100%, as long as you got excellent credit. Number 2, the most important, I can help you arrange and get this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. I work with shippers on the daily basis. I make sure I vet them, I make sure they're insured, bonded. I only work with excellent rated shippers. I've shipped thousands of trucks. I ship them on a daily basis, in and out. And I'm happy to help you. I want to make sure I get this truck right to your door in the same condition that you're looking at it here. So shipping is easy. I ship all over the country. I ship to Canada. We go everywhere. So that is no problem. We do everything remotely, sight unseen. So be at ease. We handle all your titling, all your registration. We've been doing this for a very long time. We are Jordan Motorsports. This is our indoor showroom. We deal with only hand-selected, low mileage, rust-free, pre-emission trucks. Once in a while, we'll have a newer truck because we took it on trade and I didn't wholesale it. I kept it and retailed it. But if it's nice, if it's clean, if it's super clean, then we have it. Let's make this yours.